If you are watching this video, meaning may budget kang mag-purchase ng ready-made digital products sa akin and choose to earn by reselling. Pero it's up to you pa din naman kung gusto mo mag-avail ng products ko, hindi ko kayo nire-require to avail since pwedeng-pwede naman talaga kayo mag-start without spending any money. This digital products beginner starter kit ko, bundle po siya, and for those interested, to avail this bundle for 499 pesos, you will receive a free coaching from me and will guide you through the entire process. Ano nga ba yung andito sa bundles ko? You will have a Rocket PH guide kit. Andito na lahat, step by steps tutorial. So kapag niresell mo to, hindi mo na need gumawa ng tutorial. Also have ultimate ebooks guide, how to income cash out process, free freelances resources, and instant access in Google Drive. Sa bundle na to, andito din yung tracker bundles ko, and each tracker pwede mo siyang ibenta separately. Tracker bundles na to, meron siyang assignment tracker, monthly or annual budget tracker, sales tab, invoice, sales tracker 2.0, content creation tracker, content tracker, to-do list tracker, and dashboard summary. You will also be able to resell the package and earn 100% of your sales. Sa'yo lahat ng benta mo, wala akong commission na makukuha. Rebrand my products into your own brand. So sa bundle na to, meron din kasama na digital products about 30-page Canva template and Canva basics. Also 100 ebooks in mock-up bundle, which is very important, especially for marketing your products. Again, hindi ko kayo nare-require mag-avail ng bundles ko, and even if you choose not availing my bundles, I am still willing to guide you if you are committed to learning and willing to take action.